Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to check Snapchat backup. So this is a very easy tutorial. First you just have to open your Snapchat, tap this person icon at the top left corner. Now click this gear icon or settings at the top right corner. Now here you have to scroll down and you have to look this My Data feature or option right here. So when you tap this My Data, you have to wait for a couple of seconds and it will take you directly to the files that you wanted to export or you want to get a copy. So this is how you basically check or get a Snapchat backup. So as you can see here, data available for download, all you have to do is to check the files that you need or the backup files that you want to get a copy or you need. So all you have to do is to toggle on, for example, chat history. You want a backup or check backup for chat history, spotlight, shopping, files like your photos, your videos, and memories and other media here. So all you have to do is to toggle this, tap next, and then you have to select the date. For example, you want to check the backup or to check the backup files from last year, month, or at this time. Everything is up to you. Now check if you have entered the correct email. You have to confirm that. And then after that, click submit. And all you have to do is to wait. You have to check your email address time to time. And then after that, you can now check or you can check Snapchat backup. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.